Hello, guys. Okay, for those of us who have been calling and trying to know about our ASO buyback scheme, so I just want to explain it in a very short term so that you understand very well what ASO buyback scheme is all about. So, real estate investment is not all about buying land or houses. No, it's not all about that. So there are other means you can earn in real estate investment, which is this ASO buyback is one of it. Without you buying land, so this is just an investment scheme in the real estate industry whereby you put some amount of money uh, with a reputable company, leave it there for a period of 12 months or 18 months. Then at the end of that month, you get back your money with a return of investment. So in ESO buyback, you invest with us. So you invest the money in uh, any of our estates and for a period of 12 months. So at the end of that period, maybe at the end of 12 months, we'll buy back the land from you. Yes, the company will buy back the land from you, give you your capital, and then with the interest with it, which is your return of investment. So may I say, for instance, you made an investment of 1 million naira with ASO properties, and at the end of 12 months or maybe 18 months, so you did that for a period of 18 months. So at the end of 18 months, so the company will buy back that property from you. So that is the idea, the concept behind the ASO buyback. So we'll buy back that property for you. Maybe let's say 50, you bought 50 square meter or 100 square meter or 200 square meter, depending. So the company buys it back from you at the end of that period you invested your money, and will give you back your capital and your interest, which you, like I said, you invested 1 million naira. So you'll be getting back 1.5 million naira. So no stories. It's very secure and it's stable. The security is sure, very sure, 100% sure, because you are investing on a visible uh, development project. Yes, it's not like Ponzi scheme where you just invest without seeing no project, nothing. You just invest, and before you know, your money will just get missing. But in real estate, that's why I said it's one of the best way to earn money in real estate. If you don't want to buy land, you do it this way. So you invest some amount of money for a period of time, then you get back your money. And remember, on your investment, you will be issued a post-dated check and a legal document, which is the contract of sale. So we give you this document, and your receipt, which is a proof of payment, will be issued to you, so you keep them safe. So at the end of your contract with the company, so you go to the bank and cash out your money. No stories. So this is all about the ASO buyback. So you just hit that button or give me a DM, a direct message, and for further informations, then I'll guide you on how to invest.